Go to your Github account, click on this, click on here, then create a new repository. I think Python using. Okay. Now create a repository. Okay. So this is my repository name, Python Django list. Now create a new file and look here, uploading an existing file. Okay. So choose your file or drag and drop here. Okay. Just wait. The process is still running. Okay. Here is your file list. If you want to delete some file, just click on this. Okay. Just wait a few seconds. After that, you need to click on here, commit changes. You can add your description here or add file. Now, commit changes. Click on this. Okay. Processing your file. This may take a few minutes to complete. Just wait. And this is my folder name. Okay, Django. Look carefully. This is also Django. Now, if you want to open it, click on this. Then you will see all the folders here. Click on here. This is my project. This is my SQLite database and manager Python. All are available here. Okay. So thanks for watching.